In this tutorial, I'll be making a wellness print-on-demand product for my yoga product shop. This is the site that I have that's live. It's mindfulimprint.com. We've been working on a WooCommerce custom shop page here that I'll leave a link in the description for. So I'm going to make a new product, and I'm going to start at Place It. And within Place It, if you go to Designs, T-shirt Designs, and search Wellness T-shirt, this is some of the options that you have. I went ahead and I picked this sloth one. And when you click that, you can adjust the background to nothing, and I adjusted the colors. The text, if it says you need text, I just go ahead, and if I don't want text, I'll just put that in the corner so that it doesn't show up on the graphic. And then you download the graphic. After you download the graphic, you need to submit it to Printful for your shop. So we'll go to our Printful shop, add a product. Men's or women's, it doesn't matter. I'm doing the unisex one. Right here, it's $8, and there are these options for it. So when you click that, I went ahead and I selected these three colors, black, navy, and dark heather. And then you click the graphic area, upload your image that you downloaded, and place it right in there. And then when you're ready to go, you make sure the DPI is good and it's good with Printful. You proceed to Mockups. And I went ahead and selected a plain one because I'm going to be using a mockup for the main image anyway. So proceed to details. Get your title in there. Get a little description. Put some of your categories in there, because if you have the WooCommerce Printful plugin, it will be able to see your categories. Proceed to pricing. Go ahead and put your price in there. And submit to store. I got one of those prices didn't work. So while that's submitting, I'm gonna do the mockup step. So we'll go back to Place It, and under Mockups, T-shirts, I went ahead and searched Wellness, and I found this one here. So we'll open that up, and then here's where you can select your shirt color. And this is where you upload the design that you downloaded, the same design that you used for Printful. And then you can adjust the size and the location and all of that. And then once you have your image on the mockup the way you want it, you go ahead and download that. Clicking download, and then you open up this image in a little photo editor. So here we have the image, and I use paint.net. It's a free photo editor for PCs, but there are a few other options out there. If you have a Mac, I think GIMP is free, but you can draw a box around it by holding down Shift. And I copied that, or you could just do image crop to selection. Once you crop it, then you can do image resize and go ahead, and I went with 800 depending on how you display your photos in your WooCommerce shop. And then when you do save as, you will see that you can also adjust the quality here so that it's not so heavy on the browser. So I usually adjust the quality so that it's less kilobytes. And then once you save it, you can upload it to your print-on-demand WooCommerce site. And now let's see if the product is there. We'll go to the dashboard and go to products. And there it is right there. So I'm going to edit it. And then I'm going to adjust this main image to the one that I uploaded. And then we have to add that black one that we took away right there. Okay, so you got your display image, then you got your gallery here. Let's go ahead and update. Now we'll visit the shop and see what it looks like. Visit site, explore shop. Here's my shop page. These are the featured products we have. And here's the first, the most recent product. So it's ready to go. So yeah, that's pretty much the workflow. As you can see, a lot of the resources that you can use are from Placeit. I'll put a link in the description, but I can't emphasize enough how much these photos help, because even if you spend all your time with your designs, if you don't display them well, then something seems off about your internet shop. So I'm a big fan of Placeit. I use it for everything, and I wanted to share kind of the workflow on how to get it from the very beginning to putting it in your shop. I will also do some links to the t-shirts that I made in Fiverr, some of the designers that I used in Fiverr, because they also do a really good job with making some of these graphics. And yeah, if you found this at all helpful, please feel free to like, comment, or subscribe. There is an ultimate list of resources below, and stay tuned for more print-on-demand tutorials.